Hi, I'm Josh from Priory Direct and I'm here to talk you through the new My Account area. To get here, you just use the login button at the top right, and once you've logged in, it will give you the option to log out as mine shows now. This will be the page you first see, and it's the Rapid Reorder tab. There are 5 tabs in the My Account area that I'm going to talk you through. There's the Rapid Reorder area, Purchase Insights, Personalised Offers, Settings, and Invoices. So to start with, Rapid Reorder is a page designed to make repeat ordering with us as easy and painless as possible. Every order that you've ever placed will be listed here in terms of the products that you order, and you can use the plus minus button here to add exactly how much of any product you'd like to buy again right away. The other thing that's improved here is you've got imagery to help you see which products it is you're ordering, and live pricing, so you can really make sure you're getting the best discount rate as possible. Obviously our unique selling point is that our bulk pricing applies to all items in your order, so we really encourage and incentivize you to order as many of the items you need with us as possible. This area really is designed to be your main ordering area, and if you'd like to manage the products in this area, you can change the order. So for instance, if I use this bubble wrap really regularly and I want it underneath my integrated labels, then I can change the order. And if I no longer buy something, say I don't buy these A6 board back envelopes anymore, then I can remove them. As soon as I hit save, when I come back to that rapid reorder page, you'll see that the bubble wrap's been moved up so that I can keep my popular items at the top, and the A6 all board envelopes are removed as I no longer order them. If you prefer to repeat previous orders, then that's really simple too. The order date and order numbers are all listed here, and if you simply click any of these orders, then we'll copy the quantities from that order. You can click add to basket, and that will take you through to the checkout. 2 more clicks and your packaging will be ordered and on its way for next day delivery. So that's the rapid reorder page. It allows you to manage your products, really quickly build orders from your favorite products, and to repeat previous orders. Purchase Insights, this is an exciting project for us at the minute. Here we're going to be giving you the usage rates for all of the products you buy with us to allow you to calculate your monthly orders and build them automatically and really help you get the very best from our bulk discounts. There's also some good information at the top, your total savings with us using Accumulator Saver, the last discount rate you got, and what you could have saved if you were going for the next rate. We're really encouraging you to use our unique selling point to its maximum effect. Also, we give 1% back on everything you spend with us as a reward for your loyalty. This will show you how many points you've got to redeem when you check out and how many points you've saved. For some of our repeat customers and larger customers, there's some really impressive numbers in here. 1% of your packaging back is unique in our market, and it's a lovely little additional perk. Personalised offers is a new area. Again, we want you to order as many of the packaging items you use with us as possible to get the very best from us and use our bulk discount structure as best as possible. So here we're introducing some personalised offers to you, which based upon our understanding of your purchase behaviour and your business are the recommendations that we think are most likely to suit you. These, for instance, are our paper mailing bags that are a replacement to poly mailers, fully recyclable and made using recycled materials. You can personalise this area as well. If you don't buy anything we recommend to you, then you just click I don't buy them and we will replace it with another personalised offer. Or if you'd like to be more specific, you can click here and actually choose the products that you'd be most interested in receiving an offer on, click get offer, and we'll generate a personalised offer for you right there and right then. If you just copy and paste this code into the basket, in the bottom right hand corner you can enter your promo code and your discount will be applied. Settings is where you can manage all of your account area details and your names, addresses. You can change your email address and passwords. Any of the day-to-day admin associated with your account and changing your details can be done easily in here. Invoices is where you can see your order history. You can see the details of those orders by clicking this button, and you can download an invoice for your accounts department and for accounting purposes as a PDF by clicking this download button. We've worked really hard to make this area as easy to use as possible, so I hope it's really suitable for you and you enjoy using it. As always, we're really happy to help. We're available on live chat Monday to Friday 9 till 5:30. You can call us on our new number 01622 580 100, or you can use the contact us button up here to get in touch if you need any assistance whatsoever. When you complete your order, there's a feedback area on the thank you page asking if we could do anything better. If you've got any feedback for us about this area, any requests for new products, or any requirements for any assistance whatsoever, please do put them in there. We go through them every day and we'll come back to you as soon as possible and do all we can to help. Thank you very much.